Hello everyone, it's James. Happy New Year. It is January 3rd, 2020, Reiwa 2. This is part 1 of 2 videos that I'm putting together. So this is my January lesson plan. Questions to ask your Japanese students. New Year's, Oshogatsu. Question 1. What year is it? What year is it now? Get them to say 2020 rather than just 2020. Number 2. What animal year is it? It's the mouse, but more correctly, the rat. 3. Do you like osechi ryori? 4. Do you like ozoni? 5. Do you like dai-dai? 6. Do you like datemaki? 7. Do you like kamaboko? 8. Do you like kombu? 9. Do you like kuromame? 10. Do you like kazunoko? 11. Do you like tazukuri? 12. Do you like ebi? 13. Do you like isebi? 14. Did you get a lot of gift money? 15. Are you rich? The foods listed are the most common ones in osechi. Also, notice that most of the questions are in the present tense. This makes it easier for the students to grasp. If you want, you can ask the questions in the past tense. I have provided a translation of most of the dishes and their meanings. These questions are relatable to Japanese kids, and from my experience, they help to get the kids to interact. Yoi otoshi o. Happy New Year!